Hello friends, welcome back to my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends, we are going to talk about how can we solve guys mobile data problem in our Infinix phone. Guys, you want to solve your mobile data problem, so how can you solve your Infinix mobile? In this video I will show you, I will tell you. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, and guys if you like my video guys, please like and share. So it's now time to start video. We will on our phone setting to solve mobile data problem guys. Phone system setting guys, tap here guys, click on guys your reset option setting, then guys you can see reset setting. Friends, tap here guys, you can see mobile data guys. We will click here to solve. After click on guys your mobile data setting guys, you can see guys your pin, enter your device pin to continue. So guys, you have any lock, pattern, name, password, pin, any another lock, so you will have to enter your password. So I will enter guys my password, and then you have your pattern, so you will have to draw pattern. Guys, continue, tap here to solve your mobile data problem. So guys, setting has been reset, then guys your mobile data problem has solved. Then guys you can use guys your mobile data setting without any problem. After click on guys, after solve this problem guys, you have any another problem in your mobile data settings, so wait, don't worry, take a screenshot of your phone model number guys, send me on comment section. I will check, I will help you. Bye friends.